This 24,000-pound hatchback feels more comfortable than cars costing twice as much, gets 57 miles per gallon, and drives on electric power half the time without you ever plugging it in. That last part sounds impossible, but here's how it actually works. The Citroen C4 Hybrid has a 48-volt battery that charges itself every time you slow down. No cables, no charging stations, just pure regenerative braking doing the heavy lifting. Around town, you're running electric 50% of the time. Silent, smooth, zero tailpipe emissions at traffic lights. Then the 1.2-liter petrol engine kicks in when you need it. The transition is so seamless you barely notice. But here's where this gets interesting. Most hybrids ride like hybrids. Firm, choppy, built for efficiency, not comfort. This one rides like a luxury car that forgot it was supposed to be cheap. Citroen calls it progressive hydraulic cushion suspension. Essentially, hydraulic elements inside the dampers that soak up everything the road throws at you. Speed bumps feel like gentle waves. Potholes disappear. Rough pavement gets smoothed out before it reaches your spine. It's the kind of ride you'd expect from a Mercedes or an Audi, not a 24,000-pound French hatchback. And the seats. These are not normal hatchback seats. 15 millimeters of extra foam, high-density cushioning. They updated them specifically for 2025. Sitting in this thing feels like sitting in a first-class airline seat. Soft, but supportive. You could do 5 hours in this without your back complaining. 136 horsepower from the hybrid system. Not fast, but quick enough. 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. Top speed of 128 miles per hour. Front-wheel drive. Weighs just under 1,400 kilograms. The 10-inch touchscreen is clean and responsive. Physical climate controls underneath. No buried menus for basic functions. Voice control if you want it. Just say hello Citroen. 20 advanced driver assistance features. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, the works. Now here's the part that actually breaks my brain. All of this. The hydraulic suspension, the premium seats, the self-charging hybrid system, 57 miles per gallon on a mixed route, 24,000 pounds. That's less than a base Volkswagen Golf, less than a Toyota Corolla, significantly less than anything German with similar comfort. You're getting luxury car ride quality, hybrid efficiency, and 50% electric driving for hatchback money. The boot holds 380 liters. Not massive, but enough for a weekly shop or weekend bags. CO2 emissions under 110 grams per kilometer. Low road tax. Low company car tax. This is one of those cars that makes you question why anyone pays more. So yeah, 24,000 pounds for something that rides better than most cars at 50. Self-charging electric power without the hassle. Next time we're looking at something even weirder. An SUV that costs less than this but somehow offers more space. You'll want to see that one. Let me know in the comments if you'd actually buy this over a Golf. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.